Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. Today I have a recipe that I think you're going to really like. It's so healthy for you. It's a sugar-free, dairy-free crisp, and it's going to be a raspberry apple. I have a sugar-free raspberry crisp, and this is pretty much that recipe. The only thing that's different is I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and apple today to make it a little bit more fallish. So here we go. You're going to want to take half of the apples and put it in the tray. If you're using one tray, you can just add them all in. I have my oven preheating to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 325, 350, somewhere in there is going to do you. And then I have some fresh raspberries that I just picked up today, and they soaked already in a little bit of vinegar, and then I've rinsed them so they're nice and clean. And then you can just pour some on. And if you don't have raspberries, you could use blackberries or strawberries. I have a strawberry apple crisp that we did last year that I will link at the end of this and below. Oh, it's very, very good. It's a lot more traditional in its makings. In a food processor or a blender, you're going to want to take your dates. I have about a half cup of dates that I soaked in water, and they've been soaking for a couple hours. If you don't have very much time, you can boil water, put it over your dates, and soak them for 5 minutes. And I am going to include the water just to make my life easier, and it'll blend up even better, and that's so yummy, that water anyways. And then I have about half of a banana that's very, very, very ripe, and I'm just going to plop that in. So I blended it up, and if there's a few chunks of dates, you know, no biggie. And then I've got a cup of oats, increased from my original, and then some cinnamon. About 1.5 teaspoons for me, because I really love cinnamon, but you can go, you know, less if you want or more. So we're not using sugar. We don't have traditional sugars in here. Of course, there's sugar in the dates, but it's coming from a natural source, and it's good for you. And then we have the cinnamon, which will help combat any of the sugar spikes and the insulin, so that's great. The banana is really, really good for you. And then, of course, the fresh fruit. So there's really nothing wrong with this recipe. It's just a really healthy recipe. You can have it for dessert, or breakfast, a midday treat. And if you are allergic to oats, maybe try some puffed amaranth or some puffed quinoa, or even some brown rice cereal, and that might be kind of a nice alternative. Okay, so with wet hands, then just kind of spread that on top, and you want these to go for about 40 minutes or until the top is nice and golden. Thank you for spending your time with me today in the kitchen. This has been Christa with artisticvegan.com. You can go there to get the recipe for free. I'll link it below. And until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.